Co-founded in 2018 by a former Bulgarian member of parliament, Antoni Trenchev, NEXO is a lending platform for digital assets with a wide global user base. NEXO account holders can collateralize cryptocurrency to borrow fiat or stablecoins, while earning interest on their collateralized assets. Additionally, NEXO's own credit card gives users various benefits and discounts. The NEXO token, launched alongside the NEXO financial ecosystem in April 2018, is an ERC-20 standard cryptocurrency that offers holders additional benefits including higher earning yields, lower borrowing rates and interest on their holdings. What are the key facts and figures of the NEXO ecosystem and NEXO tokenomics? What is NEXO and what is the NEXO price prediction? Watch this video to find out. According to the associated white paper, NEXO delivers the world's first instant crypto-backed loans, thus resolving a crucial inefficiency for the crypto world. Up to this very moment, no alternatives existed for digital asset owners to enjoy their crypto wealth except selling them. The document goes on to say, the innovative model of NEXO brings to the crypto community the best of both worlds, retaining 100% ownership of their digital assets while having immediate access to cash. By its own count, NEXO boasts more than 4 million global users across over 200 jurisdictions, with $80 billion worth of assets under management. In total, over 40 major cryptocurrencies are supported, including Bitcoin, Ether, Axie, Phantom, Cardano, Dogecoin and NEXO's own NEXO token. Users can earn interest on their collateralized assets of up to 16%, although the figure is typically lower. Recently, BTC was generating 7% APR and Tether was earning 12%. NEXO's Trustpilot scores are high, although alongside the genuine reviews, some bot reviews are evident. According to independent auditor Armanino, NEXO's more than 184,402 BTC customer liabilities are fully backed as of August 3, 2022. The NEXO card, ordered through the NEXO digital wallet, available on Google Play and App Store, is used like a regular credit card for making in-store purchases. Up to 2% cashback on payments can be earned, paid out in either BTC or NEXO. But what is NEXO putting in place for financial safety measures? NEXO Financial is registered as a limited liability company. The full list of global licenses and registrations, including U.S. state compliance, can be seen here. Assets are insured for up to $775 million by BitGo, Ledger, and Bakkt. There are 560 million NEXO in circulation, out of a maximum supply of 1 billion. Currently trading at $0.7702, its market capitalization is around $431 million. A recent 24-hour trading volume of $49 million amounted to 11.4% of market cap. NEXO ranks number 89 on the crypto charts by market cap. From November 2021, NEXO initiated a $100 million buyback program in monthly increments. At the time of this video, Buyback 2.0 is now complete. NEXO has repurchased just over $100 million in its native token over the course of 6 months. Repurchased NEXO tokens are not burned. Instead, after the 12-month vesting period, tokens bought via the buyback scheme will be put towards investments in strategic targets via token mergers with applicable vesting schemes to ensure token holder interests and daily interest payouts in NEXO tokens. Assessing the top 5 holders through EtherScan, the merchant deposit address holds the largest supply of NEXO at about 27%, while 2 burn addresses account for about 31%. In total, 76,773 unique addresses hold NEXO, with the top 10 collectively holding about 89% of the supply. Huobi is the primary exchange for trading NEXO, offering USDT, Bitcoin and Ethereum pairs. From December 2021, the regulated exchange FTX listed the NEXO to USD pair. Bitfinex also lists NEXO, while the Uniswap decentralized exchange currently holds a substantial proportion of NEXO market liquidity. NEXO's chart activity yields few surprises. After a $3.70 high on November 16, 2021, the token entered a downtrend as the cryptocurrency market started to falter. Particularly strong daily dips were observed on January 21, 2022, April 30, 2022, and June 11 with NEXO falling by 28%, 28% and 50% respectively. In April 2022, NEXO teamed up with MasterCard and Depocket to launch the first crypto card in Europe, boding well for the token's long-term survival. Seemingly bucking the market-wide downtrend, NEXO is currently enjoying some upward momentum, despite a dominating bear market which has seen the cryptocurrency economy shed value over the past 6 months, dropping from $3.08 trillion to $1.08 billion at the time of writing. As of August 3, 2022, the price of NEXO was around $0.7702, having rallied by more than 10% in a recent 24-hour window. At Wallet Investor, the NEXO price prediction for 2022 currently closes out at $0.714. However, the NEXO price prediction for 2025 is a year-end value of $0.0196. Sentiment is currently bearish. Digital coin price NEXO price prediction is more upbeat, giving a 2022 year-end price target of $1.11 and a 2025 price target of an average of $1.62. Of the 26 metrics used to make the estimation, 6 suggest a sell strategy, none suggest a buy strategy, and 11 suggest a neutral strategy, or to hold. We can see a longer-term projection at priceprediction.net, which gives an average NEXO price prediction for 2030 of $31.06, representing 40 times gains against today's trading value. Digital coin price 2030 target is a less bullish $3.55. Finally, the NEXO price prediction targets at Governor Capital are $3.07 over 12 months and $18.96 over 5 years. Always keep in mind that online price forecasters are an automated service. While they might be useful as a guide, their price targets should not be taken as genuine financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research before placing an investment. This could include reading the white paper, assessing the fundamentals outlined on the website, reading news releases, and checking social media channels.